What is so special about mosquitoes that they attract the attention of the world's leading scientists in entomology? Why do mosquitoes bite some people and avoid others? We will answer all these questions in this video in light of recent scientific discoveries. Let's start with mention of mosquitoes in the Quran. Once the Quraysh people had been making fun for mentioning animals' names in the Quran like elephant, spider, ant, honeybee, etc. They raised questions as to, why would your God, Allah, whom you consider the Almighty, give examples of insignificant creatures to prove his power and knowledge? Then Allah revealed to his Prophet the 26th verse of Surah Al-Baqarah, in which he answered them clearly stating, "Indeed, Allah does not shy away to present an example of a mosquito, or what is even smaller than it. And those who have believed know that it is the truth from their Lord. But as for those who disbelieve, they say, what did Allah intend by this as an example? He misleads many thereby and guides many thereby, and he misleads not, except the defiantly disobedient." The use of a mosquito as an example in this verse may seem unusual at first, but it is important to remember that the Quran frequently employs analogies and parables to convey its messages. In this case, the mosquito is used to emphasize the idea that even the smallest and seemingly insignificant things in the world are under the control and authority of Allah. Let me first share with you some amazing facts about mosquitoes, as mentioned in the Quran and proved by recent scientific discoveries. Then you will better understand why Allah used mosquitoes as an example. In the Holy Quran, when Allah talks about mosquitoes that bite, he uses the term bawudata to refer to female mosquitoes. This means that the mosquito that sucks blood is female, not male. This verse was revealed in the 7th century, but it is only recently that researchers have been able to discover, thanks to advanced electron microscopes, that female mosquitoes need blood for fulfilling their demand for eggs' nutrients. And for this purpose, female mosquitoes have been given a strong mouthpart known as proboscis, capable of piercing the skin of a person or animal to suck out blood. The male's proboscis is not strong enough to pierce skin, the reason why males do not feed on blood. Second, from this verse we learn that mosquitoes have their own parasites. This has been proved by modern science that there are some other flying parasites known as Culicoides anopheles that suck the blood from female mosquitoes. These tiny creatures were discovered in 1922 by a great entomologist from England, known as Dr. Frederick Wallace Edwards, using a very sophisticated microscope. Imagine another smaller creature sitting on the back of a mosquito and feeding from its blood. That's what Allah is talking about in that verse, when he says, "Surely Allah does not shy away